Galactic Flavor Blast Burrito. Sweet and savory bacon and cheese wrap.
Space from Michael Cooking with Space, aka Michael Gulde, and today we're going to make a tasty meal. This this video is just going to show the ingredients, um, and anyway, that's most of the ingredients. We also have a drink back there that is on Vegan Works. If you want to check out that channel, and I'm gonna drink it at, as my drink, and also I'm gonna put a little bit into the sauce. Anyway, we'll see if it works out.
This is the strawberry fruit spread that I mixed in with the sauce, and this is the ingredients for it. This is the sriracha sauce. I put in the sauce just a little bit so it'll get a little heat. Now this is the ingredients. This is the ketchup I'm using and its ingredients. And I'm also using barbecue rub sweet soy and its ingredients. I got it reduced. There's some salt and shakers, and the affiliate links for where the shakers in the bottom, and pepper going into the sauce. This is the sauce that I put into it.
Put some ketchup in the sauce tray. Some fruit spread strawberry in the sauce tray. Fruit spread strawberry in the sauce tray. We're going to put this rub in the sauce tray, and we have salt and pepper on these little dispensers. They'll be in my affiliate links below the video. And it's salt and pepper. Mixing the ingredients here. The salt or the sauce.
These are the tortillas and their ingredients. And here's the refried beans and their ingredients. And
this is the flour tortilla. It's going to be our base, our sauce, and all the ingredients we're going to put into it.
Okay. Okay. This is the bacon in the
This is the bacon cooked. I'm going to try to find the affiliate link for the microwave dish, I guess I used. It's my roommate's. Anyway, I hope she doesn't get mad at me for using it. And we're going to let it cool for a little bit. And then we'll put on the burrito. And I have a Coke here also. If you're not vegan and you just want bacon, cheese, and sauce sandwich, you could do that and have a Coke. Or you could just have a Coke. And if you're vegan too, you can. Anyway, I go to I buy by the month at the 7-Eleven. Anyway.
this is a done but not folded up. And this is what it looks in the front. Looks nice and tasty, nice and bacon, cheese, and bean. Thank you for watching. Click like or not like and subscribe. Click subscribe and also check out the other videos on my channel in their playlist. I appreciate you watching, and I appreciate your time that you spent. Please give me more ideas and comments. Check out my Patreon, patreon.com, Michael Gulde. If in OC in California, I make VIP meals, or I can help you do something for a cost. I am low income.